In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Shopify theme when the admin doesn't offer a rename option. If you've been hunting around the Shopify admin for a rename button, you're not missing it. Shopify's Manage Themes page simply doesn't include that option right now. The good news is, there are two reliable workarounds, one using Shopify's command line tool and another by editing the theme's configuration file. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the approach that fits your workflow. First, the developer-friendly route with Shopify CLI. If you already use the Shopify CLI, you can rename a theme with a single command. You'll need the theme's ID and the new name you want to apply. The command looks like this: Shopify theme rename, theme ID, name new theme name. Replace the placeholder with your theme's actual ID and your preferred name. When you run it, the CLI updates the theme's name at the account level, which is the cleanest way to keep your themes organized. If you're managing multiple themes, this method is fast, consistent, and scriptable. Just make sure you're authenticated to the correct store and that you target the right theme ID so you don't rename the wrong one. Now, if you aren't using the CLI, there's a second option that involves editing the theme's code. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. On the theme you want to adjust, click Actions and choose Edit Code. Inside the editor, open config settings/schema.json. In that file, look for a field named Theme Name or something similar. Change its value to your new theme name, then save. This updates the name stored in the theme's configuration. It can influence how the name appears in certain contexts, particularly within the theme's internal settings and UI references. A quick but important note about the code edit method. Because this change lives within the theme files themselves, it may not update the theme's name everywhere in your Shopify admin. Think of it as a cosmetic or contextual rename inside the theme, not an account-level rename. If you need a definitive rename that reflects across the admin, the CLI method is the more dependable choice. A couple of practical tips before you wrap up. Consider working on an unpublished copy of your theme so live shoppers aren't affected, and always keep your JSON valid when editing settings schema.json. If you're unsure which route to take, use the CLI for a complete rename, and the config edit as a lightweight situational tweak. That's it. 2 clear ways to rename a theme when the UI won't let you. Thanks for watching, and happy building.